Hey guys, okay, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to use Google Docs and Google Slides and how to put pictures into Google Docs and Google Slides. So you can see that I have my screen split between a picture of Amelia Earhart because some of you are working on her and my current Google Classroom. So you're going to go up. Up here, you have Google Docs. This is where you are keeping all of your documents. And you will see it somewhere over here. So I'm actually just going to use the list and directions and I'm going to copy and paste that. I'm going to show you how to do that. But first, before I do that, I want to go back to Google Classroom, click on Docs, and go into, where is it? There should be a Google Slides. There it is. You see this? This is Google Slides right here. It's the yellow one. Click Google Slides. And you are going to create a blank document. Mine looks a little weird because I'm not in full screen, so I'll show you what it would look like if I was in full screen. This is full screen. You can figure out which one of these you want to use. So let's just do this one. I like this one. This is going to be your title. How come it's not letting me type the right way? Oh, I guess this is what it looks like. And then this will be your name. Full. Your whole name. All right. And then you are going to click the plus, new slide, and you can pick from any of these slides. So let's say I want to do a little information on Amelia. I'm going to click this one. I actually don't like that one. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go up and then I'm going to click this slide. You see, I clicked number 2. Number 2 is highlighted and I'm going to click delete. That will delete my slide. If you click a slide, you'll delete the whole thing, so be careful with that. Now I'm going to find a new layout. I think I'd prefer this one. All right, great. So now I want to put my writing in, but I did all my writing over here. Do I have to retype it? No, I don't. I can go right here. I'm going to highlight. That means I'm going to hold down and drag and highlight any of the words that I want. And then if you're on a Mac, that is an Apple computer, you are either going to click Command C. Command is next to the space button, and C is right above it. You hold Command and C at the same time. Same time. That will copy it. Then you will click where you want it and put Command V. Hold it at the same time. Click at the same time. All right? Or you go back and you can put both fingers on your mouse pad and click at the same time right above the blue. So see my cursor, my mouse is right above the blue. 2 fingers on the mouse pad, click at the same time. It'll say copy. I press copy. I go to the presentation. 2 fingers on the mouse pad, click at the same time, paste. Both do that. All right? I'm not sure how to do this on an iPad, to be very honest with you. I think you need to do select, and then you select it same way, and then it'll give you the option to highlight. And then it will then give you the option to copy and paste on an iPad. Now, I'm going to move this over just so that we can see. Now I want to get a picture in there because every slide needs a picture. So I am going to go over to this area right here of with Amelia Earhart. I'm going to, because I am on a Mac, click Command Shift 4 all at the same time. Command Shift 4. Those things will bring up this plus sign. Do you see it? It's right next to her cheek. There's a plus sign. You're going to click and hold down with your thumb and move with one of your other fingers until her whole body or whatever part that you want from the picture is in this box. I want the whole thing, and then I'm going to let go. You heard that little camera? That let me know, where is she? That it's going to show up on my desktop. And as you can see, I've copy pasted a whole lot of stuff. So I'm going to click this. I'm actually going to make this a little larger so that I can see what I'm doing. I like to work in in two parts. I'm gonna hold it, I'm gonna click and hold, and I'm gonna drag it and drop it. And see how big it is? It doesn't fit. So I'm gonna use the blue to make it smaller until it does fit. I need a little smaller still. And I can put her wherever I want. Done. Or without going into the picture, so I'm going to make it small again, I'm just going to grab the picture and drag. Boom. Just grab the picture, hold down with your thumb, and drag it with another finger, but do not click on it. If you click on it, you won't be able to do it. You'll drag the website. So without clicking on it, you find a picture that you like. See how they're all up there? I like this picture. I drag it and drop it. Takes a second for it to show up. It's got to load. All right, and if you don't want the picture, you click on the picture you don't want. See how the boxes are around it? Press delete. All right, and that's how to use Google Slides. Now, if I want to add a picture into Google Docs, let's say I want something to be added into Google Docs. I'm going to hit enter so that I have some space. The picture will show up where this blinking thing is, this blinking line. I'm going to go back over, I'm going to drag and drop, but you see where the blue line is? See how it's moving? That's where I want it. Now the blue line is over here, and you can type by hitting enter a couple times afterwards. All right? You can do the same thing. You can still screenshot it, but you need to make sure that when you drag it, you see that blue line, and it'll tell you where the picture is going to go. Don't just drag it and drop it anywhere. Make sure that you can see that blue line. And then to delete, I just delete it. Done. And you can copy and paste every single part. This way you don't need to rewrite it. There's no need to rewrite anything. You just copy and paste it into your Google Doc for our presentation. All right? And that's it. That's how to use both of those. And Google Doc and Google Slide will save all your changes in Drive. So watch this. I'm going to title. You see how it says untitled up at the top? I'm going to title it. I'm going to make it my first name, Nicole. And I'm going to leave it. All right? I'm going to X out of this because I don't need it anymore. So I'm going to go back to my Google Slides. All right, it's titled Nicole, and I'm going to X out. Now I'm in Google Classroom. Oh no, how can I get back to it? I'm going to go to the dots. I'm going to go to Slides. And then I'm going to look for the title. Oh, look, it says Nicole right there. That must be it. Make sure that you make a title that's kind of eye-catching. I used my name because, as you can see, nothing else here has a name that is Nicole on it. Every other one has all different ones. So click that one. Boom, done. All right? That's all you need to do. And everything will be saved. See, all my work is still there. You never need to save it. It'll save on its own. And that's it. And then when you're done, make sure that you share it. So you go up to the share, that's that orange button. I clicked it. Enter names or email address. My email address is up on the website, all right? And if you need it, at the end of this, I will give it to you and I will remind you how to share with me, okay? And that's it. I will see you guys at another time. Bye-bye.